Hi, I'm Greg with Bennington Marine. Here today with me is Nicole, and we're going to be showing you how to deploy your cladded arch Bimini frame. So as we deploy the top, keep in mind there's going to be straps up here holding the Bimini frame in place. We'll have to undo those. You will release those from the back to the forward part of the boat, or actually known from the stern to the bow. Remember, as you remove the boot from the arch, it is a directional snap, so you'll have to lift up on the back, pull it out. You notice here it's got the little lip, so I'll just go ahead and put it back on real quick. So yes, and then when you pull it off, up and out. Makes it much easier. Once we get that in place, Nicole, if you don't mind moving back, we're just going to bring this back to her. Be very careful and very gentle here so we don't smash anybody in the face. I'm going to come on back, and now that's going to allow us to unzip our boot. Thank you. We can just move that out of our way, and we're going to undo this flap a little bit for the Bimini fabric, because that's going to zip right up to the arch. And we're going to go ahead and stick these back legs in place. So if you want to get that side, Nicole, I'll just drop this in over here. As we put the rear support for the Bimini in, you'll drop it right into the socket on the bracket. Put our pin right through like so. That'll keep it locked in place. And then we're going to push on this and rise it up. That's going to take the pressure off the zipper when we go ahead and attach it to the forward part of the arch. While Nicole's holding the rear end of the Bimini up so it doesn't get locked, that's going to allow me to pull the arch forward. And the nice thing with that is it takes the pressure off the zipper on the receiving end of the arch here. And there's a zipper on each side. So again, she'll just make sure that's lifted up in the back. I'll get my zipper lined up. And it just zips right in at that point. They meet right here in the middle. Then we'll go ahead and secure the side part of the Bimini frame. What we want to do is make it taut. So there's just two steps to do that. We're going to take the Velcro piece flap here, get that secured, and then we're going to finish it up by dropping down. You'll see there's different spots here where you can detent that in. And basically, we just want that nice and taut so it sounds like a drum. Now when you're ready to close the Bimini, we're going to just do the process in reverse. We're going to start by releasing the pressure off the back arch, and then undoing our Velcro. That gives us the slack back in there. Now move forward, undo the zippers, and move the bows back. You can see now that we've got the rear supports fastened into their clips nice and snug. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the fabric and just wrap it around. So this is where it's really nice to have Nicole helping me. So we're going to do that now. Wrap it around the bows. And we want to get that good and snug. It's just going to make it that much easier to put the boot on. A helpful tip when you install the boot, have the snap facing forward towards the arch. It just makes it that much easier when you go ahead and hook that back to the arch. And Nicole will go ahead and get it zipped. And you can just tuck in on the material as you're zipping. I'll hold the boot up as you'll see how she'll just kind of push it in as she zips. Nice snug fit so it's not flopping in the wind. And we'll move it forward. To finish up, we're just going to install our last directional snap, and it's that simple. And for more tips, go to benningtonmarine.com.